How to sign up for YouTube TV. So the first thing we want to do is come to the YouTube TV homepage. You can do that pretty easily by searching up tv.youtube.com, and this is what it's going to look like. Next, we're going to click on Try It Free, either in the top right corner or the big blue button down here. YouTube TV is then going to ask you what Gmail you want connected to your YouTube TV account. So you can select one of the ones that are on screen here, or you can come down to the bottom and click on Use Another Account. So once you've picked your account, you'll get this little window pop up here with the YouTube home screen in the background, and the pop-up is going to ask if you'd like to try a 20-minute preview of YouTube TV first before even signing up for the free trial. So what that means is that you're basically able to try out and use YouTube TV free for 20 minutes, but after that you have to sign up for the free trial and enter your card information to keep using it. So you can go ahead and do this free preview if you'd like, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click on Start Free Trial and continue with the sign up process. So once you click on that, the next step is going to be to enter in your zip code. You'll want to do this so that YouTube TV can get the right local channels and networks for you. Once you've entered your zip code, you can then go ahead and click on this blue arrow button to move to the next page. Now the next step is going to be to review and select our YouTube TV plan. So the majority of you will just want to select the normal base plan. You'll be able to see how long the free trial is, how much you'll have to pay every month, some of the YouTube TV features, as well as all of the channels that it includes. So once you have your plan selected, you can go ahead and enter a promo code here if you have one, and then come down to the bottom and click Next. Finally, we'll be taken to this page here where you can go ahead and add some more optional networks to your base plan. So for example, you could add NFL Sunday Ticket, HBO Max, and tons of other networks here. So you can add some additional channels if you'd like, and then come down here to the bottom and click on Next Checkout. You'll then be taken to this checkout screen where you can do a final review of what YouTube TV plan you'll be purchasing, when your free trial will end, when you'll be charged, and for how much. And don't worry, if you cancel your YouTube TV subscription before the free trial ends, you won't be charged. So to complete your purchase, you will have to add your payment information and then click on Start Membership. And then there you go, you've successfully signed up to YouTube TV. Now you can personalize your YouTube TV experience and start watching. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.